Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. Today I'm using the Arteza Gouache paints to create a really quick and simple journal spread. My focal point on this page is quick and simple. It's just an artist trading coin I did a while before. I'm creating the background by applying the gouache paints with a brush and a little bit of water. I spread the colors around until I'm happy with the result. I'm working directly on the paper of my journal. I don't have any gesso on it. It's not the best paper, but as it's just for fun and a little bit of practicing, I think it doesn't matter. While the paints are still wet, I go in with a watercolor brush and add some random scribbles. When the background is dry, I add a little bit of stamping. I love to use stamps to create texture on the background. This adds a lot of more dimension to the page and makes it more interesting. I'm using different sets from our store today, and I will link every set I'm using in the description box. I'm adding some white splatters with the white gouache paint. I just thin it down with a little bit of water. Now it's time to add my focal point. As I told you in the beginning, I will use an artist trading coin. I think that's a nice idea to use those coins, and it's also a quick way to create a nice art journal page. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're interested in my stamps, you will find a link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!